What's up, guys? Check this out. So, this is what we found in that vending machine. Some coins on the ground. Coolers. Got some coolers. We got a 2021 Glass in the Dairy cooler. It's a Denver. State coolers. The Denver 2000. The Maryland State cooler. The Old Line State. 1788. Take it. All of these are Denvers. Yep, Denver. 2005 West Virginia State cooler. 1863 New River, George. I'll take that. 2013 Mount Rushmore, South Dakota, Denver. And 2022 Denver NMA Wong. This one's a Denver. Yeah, or Feet Valley, it's a Denver. 2001 New York State cooler, 1788. Get away to freedom. State of New York and Statue of Liberty. The stars. Take it. Got a dime. Not silver. 2015 Denver. A couple pennies. This one's 2009 penny. Found these on the ground. 2017 Denver. Take it. Dime and 2 pennies on the ground. So that's $1. That's $1.50 in coolers. Found in the vending machine. No silver, no W coolers. Dime and 2 pennies, 12 cents. Found on the ground. $1.62. I'll take it. Hope you guys enjoyed.